Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 21st of August. We are glad to present our weekly analytical review for major Forex instruments. Last week, the pair euro-dollar was trading around the level of 1.1750, which coincides with Fibonacci correction 38.2% and middle line of Bollinger Bands. In the nearest future, the price will probably move further along this level, as investors are waiting for economic policy symposium in Jackson Hole. The speeches of summit participants can affect the pair greatly. The consolidation of the price above the level of 1.1750 can let the price grow to the levels of 1.1860, 1.9060 and 1.2050. Otherwise, the fall to the levels of 1.1640 and 1.1520 is possible. Technical indicators don't give clear signal. Bollinger Bands are narrowing, which usually happens before significant price movement. MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone. Stochastic is pointed sideways. As for the fundamental releases, besides the key issue, the Jackson Hole summit, traders should pay attention to ZEW survey, economic sentiment, and preliminary August PMI publications in the USA and the EU. Generally, the slight fall is possible, but growth is not excluded. Last week, the pair pound-dollar was corrected and is now trading near the level of 1.2840. In case of breakdown, the price can fall further to Fibonacci corrections cluster in the area of 1.2730 and further to 1.2600. The breakout of the level of 1.2930, which coincides with Fibonacci correction 23.6%, will let the price grow to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at the level of 1.3015 and further to 1.3550. Technical indicators confirm the downward trend. Bollinger Bands are diverging. MACD histogram is increasing in the negative zone. Stochastic is pointed sideways. As for the fundamental issues, traders should pay attention to the second quarter UK GDP publication. The fall is possible after the price consolidation below the level of 1.2840, but in case of breakout of the level of 1.2930, the price can grow. Last week, the pair dollar-yen was trading in different directions. The price grew to the level of 110.70, but was corrected to the level of 109.00, where it's trading now. The consolidation of the price below this level will let the pair fall to levels of 108.35 and 108.00. Otherwise, the price can return to the level of 108.90, which coincides with Fibonacci correction 38.2%. Technical indicators reflect the fall. Bollinger Bands and Stochastic are pointed downwards. MACD histogram is increasing in the negative zone. As for the fundamental issues, traders should pay attention to Nikkei Manufacturing PMI and National Consumer Price Index in Japan. Generally, the fall is possible after the consolidation of the price below the level of 109.00. Last week, the pair Australian dollar to US dollar went up to the middle line of Bollinger Bands to the area of 1079.25. In case of breakouts here, the price can grow to the area of July highs at the level of 1.8000. Otherwise, the price will return to levels of 0.7845 and 0.7800. Technical indicators reflect fall. MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone. Stochastic is trying to reverse downwards. Generally, the fall of the price is possible, but the growth after the breakout of the level of 0.7925 is not excluded. Last week, gold prices showed choppy trade. They were corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands, but then returned to the level of 1288.35. Further growth is possible to levels of 1294.00 and 1300.00. In case of breakdown of the level of 1277.00, which coincides with Fibonacci correction 61.8%, the price can go down to levels of 1265.00 and 1255.00. Technical indicators reflect the growth of the price. Bollinger Bands are pointed upwards. MACD histogram is increasing in the positive zone. Stochastic is pointed sideways. Generally, the price will probably grow, but in case of breakdown of the level of 1277.00, the fall is not excluded. That's all for today. Good luck with your trading.